Hi everyone, my name is Ikra and welcome to my channel Data Science Genius. In today's video, we will explore what data science and introduction of data science is and why it is such an exciting and rapidly growing field. Let's get started. First of all, discuss data science tutorial. What is data science? Need of data science, and next solving the problem with data science. In data science applications, data science tools and data science jobs. Discuss Kate. This course provides a comprehensive introduction to data science covering a fundamental concept, tools, and techniques used in the field. Student will learn how to collect, green, analyze data, visualize data to extract valuable insight, and make data-driven decisions. What is data science? Actually, data science care how? Data science is the study of data to extract meaningful insight for the business. It is a multidisciplinary approach that combines principles and practices from the field of mathematics, statistics, artificial intelligence, and computer engineering to analyze large amounts of data. In data science introduction, data science एक multidisciplinary field है जो statistical, computer science और domain-specific expertise को combine करके complex data set को analyze और interpret करता है. इसका मकसद raw data से meaningful insight और knowledge extract करना है. Data science is a combination of multiple disciplines that uses our statistical data analysis and machine learning to analyze data and to extract knowledge and insight from it. Data science is about data gathering, analysis, and decision making. First of all, let's take example from the healthcare industry. Hospital and clinic collect patient data which can be used to identify disease pattern. Data scientists analyzes this data to predict disease outbreak and create personalized treatment plan which can significantly improve patient outcomes. Data science minimum math, statistical, ethical skills, team player skills, lifelong learning skills, communication skills, real-world project skills, machine learning skills, data visualization skills, data wrangling skills of them. Core concept of data science. Data science gathering the process beginning with the data collections from multiple sources such as a database, web scraping, sensor and surveys. Data analysis. Second, once data is collected, is analyzed using statistical method, machine learning algorithm, and other analytical techniques. This step often involves cleaning and pre-processing of the data, removing inconsistency and depriority of analysis. Decision making. The insight of this insight derived from the data analysis are used to inform decision. These decisions can range from the strategic business decision is to real-life operation. Adjustment. Data-driven decision making enhance accuracy, reduce risk, and optimize outcomes. Clean and pre-processing steps are including inconsistency, output, applications of data science. Next topic, application of data science, business strategies, healthcare, and other fields included. Business customer behavior analyzing marketing strategies, operational efficiency, and finance, other field education, entertainment, politics, sport, agricultures. Business customer behavior analyze marketing strategies, operational efficiency, healthcare, disease predictions, prediction and diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, medical image analysis, drug discovery. Finance, fraud detection, credit scoring, algorithms, trading, customer segmentations. Next term, finance, fraud detection, risk management, algorithm trading. E-commerce, product recommendation, personalized user experience, pricing strategies, customer sentiment analysis, education, learning plans, student performance prediction, dropout rate analysis, entertainment content recommendation, audience analysis, brand prediction, sentiment analysis. E-commerce, educational, entertainment, and other fields included politics, Voter behavior analysis, convenience, optimization, public opinion, monitoring, sport, performance and analysis, injury, prediction, game strategy, optimization, agriculture, crop, real prediction, please, precision farming, pest and disease detection, real estate, property price prediction, market trend analysis, investment analysis, include real estate. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Data Science Genius for more exciting content. Don't forget to leave your questions and suggestions in the comment below. Stay tuned for our next video.